5 reasons for why I changed to this Alto Turbo RS. Firstly is that I wanted a new daily vehicle. Currently I have a Mitsubishi EK Active and this is already quite a heavy car for a K car. Furthermore, it has a non-turbo engine, and with this 4-speed automatic transmission it is really slow up to the hill or up to the mountain. So since also daily usage requires a lot more city stop and go traffic, for this reason it's still very convenient to have an automatic transmission. The second reason is that the seating position of the Alto Works is not good for me. Compared to regular Japanese, I have much more long legs, and this is not matching this Alto Works seating position. Even I tried it with low position seat frame, and then still it's not good for me. The third reason is that I already have a different manual transmission car, which is actually much more fun to drive as well as more comfortable. So for the regular touring around, I prefer that one over the Alto Works. Coming to the fourth point then, I really like the styling and the versatility of this generation Alto. So I would like to further explore and enjoy this platform also, make some more modifications. And the fifth point is that this automatic gear shift transmission system in combination with this turbo engine is really unique only to the Alto Works and Turbo RS. No other K cars have this type of combination to my knowledge, so I wanted to also experience this combination of this AGS system with this Alto turbo engine.